Okay, right here where the door is at, what I'm gonna do, hook up the green to the red, which is the positive of the speaker side, and then the green black is the negative of the speaker side. As you can see earlier, I ran the wire through here. Just lift this thing up a bit and then hide the wire. Right here you probably can't do much, but if you spend more time you can be able to. And the amp is right there, and then now I'm gonna have to make a ground.
You just always been a tad rusted. I've been laid back, yeah.
Open the door. Shut off. No. Not like. Do. I'm gonna run this switch right here as I was waiting for, because a lot of newer car does that. I am not sure why, and I haven't found any thing about this SUV yet. I mean, it is a 2021, so I'm gonna run the switch right here. I'm gonna run that blue wire to one of this side right here, and then the other side will go to the remote, and then I will run the switch outside. I mean, I'm run the switch from the steering wheel. By the steering wheel, I ran it already. Basically, I'm running the high-low converter right here. Everything is already done. The blue wire is gonna go one side, and then the other one's gonna go to the remote side and up front. Okay, the speaker wire that I ran is gonna go to this one. I made a hole already, and it's going to here. And this has got two red wire right here. It doesn't matter where. All you have to do is put the speaker wire one side and then the other side, and then the switch up is the on, and the 0 is off. So this is on, meaning the amp is still gonna stay on, and then this is off. So that's it. That's 2021 Equinox. You want to turn audio volume off, you have to go to home menu. You want to click on setting, and you go to apps. Instead of system, you go to app right there, and you go to audio, and you want to make sure this auto volume off right there. You want to click it off to off. See, you can see off, lows. Make sure it stay off. If not, you will have a fluttering noise.